Adaptation of post-dinosaur animals to new habitats and other species. After the extinction of dinosaurs, a significant shift occurred in the Earth's ecosystems, leading to the emergence of new environments and opportunities for animal species. This essay explores the adaptive capabilities of animal species following the dinosaur era, focusing on their ability to adapt to new habitats and interact with other organisms. Understanding how animals have navigated these changes is crucial for comprehending the complexity of evolutionary processes and the interdependencies of different species. Habitat adaptation. Following the extinction of dinosaurs, animal species underwent remarkable adaptations to new habitats. Mammals, for instance, diversified and occupied various ecological niches. Some species adapted to arboreal environments, utilizing trees for shelter and resources, while others thrived in terrestrial habitats, taking advantage of open landscapes. The diversification of habitats allowed for the colonization of different ecological niches, promoting species diversity and the development of specialized adaptations. Feeding strategies and competition. In the aftermath of the dinosaur era, animal species had to adapt their feeding strategies to the new ecological landscape and navigate competition with other organisms. Mammals, for example, developed diverse dental structures and digestive systems to exploit a wide range of food sources. This adaptation led to the evolution of herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous species, allowing them to occupy distinct dietary niches and avoid direct competition. Interactions with other organisms. The post-dinosaur era witnessed the establishment of intricate ecological interactions among animal species. Mutualistic relationships, such as pollination by insects and seed dispersal by birds, played a crucial role in plant reproduction and colonization. Predatory-prey relationships evolved, shaping the dynamics of ecosystems and driving adaptations for both predator and prey species. These interactions fostered coevolutionary processes, wherein different species influenced each other's evolutionary trajectories. Cooperative behaviors and social structures. The transition from the dinosaur era provided opportunities for the development of cooperative behaviors and social structures among animal species. Many mammals, such as primates and canids, formed social groups, which facilitated cooperation in tasks such as hunting, raising offspring, and defense against predators. Social structures allowed for the sharing of resources and knowledge, enhancing survival and reproductive success. Evolution of defense mechanisms. The post-dinosaur era led to the evolution of various defense mechanisms in animal species. Predation pressures and competition for resources stimulated adaptations such as camouflage, warning signals, chemical defenses, and defensive structures like quills, horns, and armored plates. These defense mechanisms enabled species to avoid predation and ensure their survival in the face of new ecological challenges. Ecological succession and ecosystem development. The adaptive responses of animal species played a crucial role in ecological succession and the development of new ecosystems. As species colonized new habitats and interacted with other organisms, they influenced the structure and dynamics of the ecosystems they inhabited. Their adaptations and ecological roles shaped the distribution of energy, nutrient cycling, and species interactions, ultimately contributing to the development and stability of complex ecosystems. Impact on biodiversity and evolutionary processes. The post-dinosaur era marked a significant phase in the diversification of animal species and the expansion of biodiversity. Adaptive radiation occurred as species diversified to exploit available ecological niches. The interactions and competition among species drove evolutionary processes, leading to the emergence of new traits, speciation events, and the continued evolution of existing lineages. This era laid the foundation for the incredible biodiversity seen in ecosystems today. Dispersal and migration. Following the dinosaur era, animal species also adapted to new environments by dispersing and migrating to different regions.